everybody, Neil with 21st Century Equipment. Today we've got a John Deere 3038E tractor with a 300E loader. And we're going to talk about how the loader operates. This particular 300E picks up 1,186 pounds. That's what its rated capacity, measured right down there at the pin. We're going to talk about the safe operation of this loader. The controls are really straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and climb up into the operator station and we'll go over those. I'm going to go ahead and put on my seatbelt. Make sure the hydrostatic transmission is in neutral. In this case, I'm leaving the parking brake on, again, because I'm not going to be driving back and forth. I'm just going to show you how to operate the loader. The loader controls are right here to the right of the steering wheel. And I'll review before I start the tractor. I pull back on this lever, that's going to raise the arms up. Push forward on the lever, that's going to lower the arms down. And then the bucket is controlled by the side-to-side motion. If I push out on this lever, that's going to dump the bucket. If I bring this lever in towards me, that's going to curl the bucket back up. As I mentioned, this pushes the loader down. I can go into this detent, and that will let the loader arms float across the terrain. That's great for back dragging. Let's go ahead and start the tractor up. Again, I'm going to pull back on the lever in order to raise the loader up in the air. Simple motion. Of course, the engine's idling right now. I'll run this all the way up to the top, and that's as high as that loader will lift. Then I push the bucket sideways, or I push the lever sideways to tilt the bucket, and that's how I dump it. I pull the lever towards me, and that's going to go ahead and curl the bucket back. Push forward to bring the bucket down. Once I have it on the ground, I am good to go. Another feature that's worth mentioning on this John Deere 300E loader is the fact that the top of the bucket and the cutting edge are parallel. It's a parallel line with the bucket edge, and what that does is it gives me a place to visually reference whether my bucket's flat, whether I'm digging into the ground, or whether my bucket is curled back. Again, easy way to spot that. From the seat, I can look at this level and know what my bucket is doing. That is how simple it is to operate this 300E loader on this John Deere 3038E tractor. Again though, I do want to mention the 300E loader is not part of the Quick Park lineup. If that's a feature that you need on your tractor, come on into your local 21st Century Equipment location, and we are happy to sit down with you, answer your questions, and pick out the right tractor for you and the work that you do every day.